Teka, I have to make highlights before I forget. Play ako ng video mo. Are you kicking me out? No, of course not. Why should I kick you out? Mag-play ako ng video mo, Sisikoy Pinay. Okay? Go to channel ako. I'm not kicking you out. You can stay as long as you want. You can even sleep here. You can sleep here in my live. And no one will know. Itong ano mo, yung 9 minutes mo na nananahi ka. Okay, I hope makisama ang aking connection. Ayan, Sisikoy, may ads. Okay, DJ H, I'm just going to do something that will help me earn revenue. I will make a highlight out of this live. I have to do this because I have to do this. I'm just messing with you, DJ H. Okay. Jigsaw puzzle. Did you upload new videos already, DJ H? I-on ko lang yung ads. Parang on. Okay, let's go. Sir Rene. Me? Gay? How can I be gay? I have kids. Hey, Antonio, how can I be gay? Are you gay? I'm not gay. Ask DJ H if I'm gay. DJ H, do you think I'm gay? DJ H, do you think I'm gay? I have 3 kids, Antonio. How can I be gay? You can drop your link, DJ H. Go ahead. Hey, what are you saying? What are you saying, Antonio? Where have you been? I haven't seen you for a long time. She is hot. She is not gay. Why did you ask me if I'm gay? What made you say that, Antonio? I'm not gay. Ikaw talaga, Antonio. Whatever are you saying, Antonio? What makes you think that? Okay, let's see here. Thank you, Sisi Koy. Alam mo, one time, ginamit ko yung yung BB cream. Pagkaligo ko, nilagay ko yun, tapos naglagay ako yung sunscreen. Pero kadalasan ginagamit ko Yung aloe vera gel, sisikoy. Every time I see Sally, I make this face. What is that face? It looks sick. You get sick when you see me, and you don't even see me. I don't even show my face. How can you see me, Antonio? Tell me, tell me. How did you see me? Ano, isang beses ko pa lang siya ginamit, sisikoy. Kasi usually pag live ni Ate Lynn o sa umaga, lagi ako nagmamadali, nawawala sa loob ko gumamit. Pag nagmamadali ako, yung ano na ginagamit ko talaga, yung aloe vera, kasi nasanay na ako doon. Ang hirap naman kuhanin. I see, Sally, this is my face. Oh, see? Thank you, DJ H. That should be your face, Antonio. Whatever, Antonio. That does not sound good. That doesn't sound good, Antonio. What time there now, Antonio? See, DJ H is laughing. Hey, DJ H, you're not sleepy yet? Saan ko na naman ito ilalagay? Dito ka ba, no? Not there. There you go. Share lang tambay. Salamat po, Sir Rene. Isang oras lang po ito kasi aalis din ako. Kailangan, gusto ko lang mag-update ulit. Kasi gusto ko po mag-highlight, Sir Rene. Para meron akong upload. Kasi wala akong lagi upload. May guhit. Thank you so much, DJ H. This will only be a 1 hour live because I have to go. I have to go somewhere later. No, where's the star? Guhit, may guhit, may guhit. Okay, if you feel really sleepy, DJ H, go ahead and sleep.